What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Work has been crazy and it's getting super dark really early here in Oregon, and I get off work sometimes a little late and it's hard to shoot videos. But anyway, I bought this car and it took 18 weeks for me to get my license plates. So finally I got my license plates. And the one thing that I've been wanting to do is put these license plate frames on. I got these on Amazon, and for the front of the car, I got this front license plate bracket that bolts to the front of the tow hook. So what you have to do is you have to take this plastic piece off, and then that's where you thread in the actual bolt, and then that's where you mount right there. So I've been waiting to do this. I've had Washington plates on my car, and not that it's a big deal, but especially at night and there's a lot of cops around, the last thing I want to do is get pulled over. So I'm really glad that I finally got my license plate. So anyway, but what I'll do is I'll kind of show you how that front mount license plate works, or the mounting bracket for the front license plate. And because it was actually pretty reasonable on Amazon, I think it was like 20 bucks. But anyway, I've seen a lot on Amazon and eBay, but this one seemed like the best deal and the best quality. So I'll let you guys know how it all fits and how it looks. But let's get to it before it gets too dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the back license plate off, and then I will do the front one. So I'll get my license plates and let's get going. Okay, also I want to show you the license plate frames I got. So I got these M ones, and the color on them is pretty good, and the carbon fiber graphic is actually not bad. If it would focus in just a little bit maybe. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you might see it there. But it looks pretty good. And so the frames I got, it was a pack of 2, so it came with 2 of these, and then it came with the rubber caps and then the bolts. So it comes with everything, and I think those were, I think like $30 for the pack of 2. So it looks really nice. So I'm happy with the quality on those. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys what they look like, and I'll link the frames that I got down below in the description, and the front license plate mount. So, but anyway, before it gets too dark, let's get the license plates on. And of course, the bolts that came with the kit are too big for the rear license plate bracket. So I'm gonna try and find some bolts that actually do fit, and then go from there. So Sorry you guys, you probably didn't see all that, and because it got dark, but just a friendly reminder, never work on anything when it's getting dark because you always lose bolts, something happens and you lose parts. You can't see and it's so hard to get things put on correctly, but we got the back license plate on. It looks really good. I don't know what it is, but when you have like a nice license plate frame, it just ties everything in and makes the car look a lot nicer. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take off that front kind of cap that guards the tow hook, the front tow hook, and then I will put on the license plate frame and I'll kind of show you guys how that works. So let's do that now. You guys probably aren't gonna be able to see this, but maybe I can take my phone and put some light on it. But so we're going to take that piece off right there, and really all you need to do that is this plastic trim tool. And it's good to have these not only for your interior but for those kind of like body pieces. So we take that off first to expose the front tow hook thread, and then we will thread in that big bolt that mounts the license plate mount. Okay, so I'm gonna put my light on there, so hopefully you guys will be able to see just a really quick piece to come off with the trim tool. And so let's do that. I got that piece out and it's kind of a little finicky to get out, but just use the trim tool to kind of pry it out. You don't have to do anything too hard, but this kind of piece will stick out a little bit, so just don't yank it out or rip it out because you don't want to break this. And also you want to get a plastic baggie and you want to put this in your glove box, and you want to put some tape over it so it doesn't get scratched because it's part of the bumper, so you don't want this piece to get scratched. So but a little finicky to take off, but super easy. And then as you'll see, it exposes that bolt right there, and that's where the license plate mount goes. I swear guys, every time I order parts, some shit happens, but I don't know if this is the wrong bolt or what, but this will not bolt in to the front. For some reason, I go to push and it just won't thread in. And I was thinking, okay, maybe it's just getting like blocked somehow, but I just think I got the wrong, well, I ordered, oh, someone's burning out. I ordered the right one, but I don't know if this is happening to you guys, but Amazon has been screwing up a ton of my orders lately. But this apparently is not the right one for the F30 BMW, so I'm gonna have to order another one. God, I was excited to get my plates on finally, but least I got the rear one on. It looks really good, but this, oh, I swear this always happens. You order parts, and it's probably, I got this like a month ago, so it's probably too late to return, so. Anyway, always something, but. All right guys, well, I'll give you an update. I might try one more thing, but I'll give you guys an update, but if it doesn't work out, nonetheless, in the next video, I'll fill you guys in. All right, anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.